nice one. Alright everybody, welcome back to some real field fishing. Today I'm going to do a little creek fishing, wading in the creek, and I'm going to be throwing Whopper Plopper 90 and my trusty yellowhead and Mega Bass Sleeper Craw. They don't want anything on top, so stick around, enjoy. Thanks for watching. That's a nice one. Oh. Dude, that hit like right in front of me. That was sweet. That's a great catch. It's a beautiful way to start the morning. Awesome, Smalley. Cool. Thank you for the fight. That was a nice one. That was a good hit. Right at the last second. There's a little parasite in there. Get that leech or something. I'll get that off. There's two of them. Oh, there's a little Smalley. Oh, that's a nice fish. Holy cow, that's a nice fish. Oh, barely hooked. Yep, there he goes. That was a great fish. Awesome fight, dude. Holy cow. So I'm not too entirely sure why the water is chocolate milk. We have not had rain in like 3 weeks. The other creeks that I've been doing are crystal clear, so I don't know why that this is just chocolate milk. So this is making things difficult, that's for sure. Can't even really use the craw because they just won't see it. It's green pumpkin, so I don't have anything white with me, so this might be a challenging day. Definitely might be a challenging day. Decent fish, I think. It's coming right at me though. Oh my gosh, it's coming right at me. What a feisty fish that is. That thing came right at me like a ton of bricks, man. This one's gonna come off too. Try to get him over here before he comes off. Nice fish. Whew. That is a good one for the crease. Wow. That's a good one. Oh man. Alright, that's a beautiful smallie for the creek. Thank you for the fight, buddy. That thing came right at me. The reason why I think there was a smallmouth there is because there's a little bit of current coming in, and also this is a sandy and light gravel bottom with some chunk rock. This is like perfect bottom for smallmouth. So I caught a nice one up in there, and it had a couple other smaller blow-ups. So there's clearly fish around here. The water clarity looks like it's getting a little bit better as I'm going upstream, but I really don't know why it's dirty to begin with. So hopefully it keeps on getting more and more clear, because I need better water visibility if I even want to try to throw the craw. So I notice as I'm walking, all these things moving in here are actually crawdads, which is awesome to see, because it's just like a healthy population, and it just helps out big time with the smallmouth. But I think I'll wait until the next hole to tie back on the sleeper craw, just for the fact that they are hitting topwater. So let's see what happens. Nice. Cool. Thank you for the battle, buddy. That just looked too fishy for there not to be a fish in there. Alright, nice little smaller. Little smallest one of the day, but little guy. Still a cool fight. Thanks, buddy. Right back to the hole. He's not stupid. Oh, that's a nice one. Huh. That thing hit real late. Cool. Was not really expecting that. The thing is chunky. Man, he's got all the troubles in his mouth. Oh boy. That's a nice color one. Got some cool colors to it. Sorry I had to lip you like that, buddy, but now I got a Whopper Plopper caught in my shirt. Oh boy. Oh, that's gonna be. Alright, thanks for the fight, man. Oh my gosh, that's a giant. Holy cow. What the heck? Oh man. Holy cow, dude. Get after it, buddy. What? Look at that. That is a gorgeous smallmouth. For a creek. Wow, that's impressive. On the Perch Whopper Plopper 90. Awesome. I'm gonna get this one out in more clear water so I can get a nice release on it. That thing was sitting in like 6 inches of water. Totally did not expect that at all. Thank you for the fight. Big meanie. Yeah, you big meanie. So I'm not gonna say the switch was the right move, but I will admit the bigger ones are connecting with the perch. I had a lot of blow-ups on the yellowhead, and you know, caught a few, lost a few, but it just seems like maybe the perch was the right move. I don't know. old largemouth. Came up and smoked it. A good old trick that I've always known. Anytime you see structure on a creek, throw at it. Just give it one good cast, two good casts, whatever. I mean, this is a prime example of a stop point on the creek. You know, something's gonna sit underneath there and wait for its next meal, just like this largemouth did. And he came out and poked his head right at the right time. Thanks for the fight, buddy. But yeah, definitely hit structure. There's usually some type of fish on the structure. So that was a good example, I guess. Oh, nice. Oh, lassoed. Man, there was two fish sitting on that. I just lassoed this guy up. Have to really reel in fast right there because they'll pull it back down and they'll pull it back down and get you hung up on something down there. Nice little smallie though. Had him hog-tied. Got a treble in his tail fin and a treble in his lip. Nice little smallie. Another one on that structure right there. I'm just gonna keep on throwing right there. There might be a third one. Cool. Great little fish. That's shocking that the largemouth got to it first before the smallie did. That's kind of cool, I guess. That's a real nice smallie, dude. Holy cow, dude. That is a gorgeous smallie right there, dude. Wow. Cool. Yeah, beautiful smallie. Alright, so that's going to do it here for me today on the creek. Weapon of choice was definitely a Whopper Plopper 90 and perch and yellowhead. It's got a lot of blow-ups, missed a lot, but the water was really stained. I wasn't really expecting that, so it is what it is. But hopefully you enjoyed. Thank you very much for watching, and if you're new here, consider subscribing. It'd mean a lot to me, and give it a thumbs up or leave a comment. It'd be great too. Thanks, everybody.